This is a protractor. It can be used to draw angles and also to measure angles. Let us see how can we draw angles using a protractor. Let us start with an acute angle. We know the acute angles are angles measuring less than 90 degree. Let us start with 60-degree angle. First draw a ray and we call the ray BC. Let us mark a point at B. Draw an angle from this point. So we mark a point at B. Now take the protractor. Keep the center of the protractor on the point B. So we need to keep the center of the protractor on point B such that this line, that is the zero line, corresponds BC. So BC coincides with this line which is at 0 in the protractor. Now mark the point corresponding to 60 degree. If you observe 260 degree, which one will you prefer? Let us draw a right angle. Let us draw an obtuse angle, that is 115 degree.